Welcome to the in front of me Realme 9i, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the home screen and lock screen section. Now just scroll a little bit down and tap here to the wallpapers. Here you can see that we can select one new wallpaper from our device photos previously taken, or for example downloaded from the internet, or from the live wallpapers or static one. So just click here, and for example we want to set this wallpaper, click here, tap to apply, and we want to change the lock screen. Click to the lock screen, wait a second, and now as can you see we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper on Realme 9i. So that's it, thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.